Here's some weird shit though. Apparently, I heard this from a friend, of course. After sex, girls like get really gassy. Like it's insanely gassy. Like it's like
You don't say.
like it's fucking, and they're really like they don't like it. Like they try to like hide it, try to like cover their legs, and like guys like it's hot, bro.
What?
Like,
No, it's not.
Let it all out.
Okay, this friend of yours is fucking weird.
So your friend is into women that fart after sex.
Your friend is going around fucking bitches till they fart and then fucking more.
No,
Your
it's
friend
like
be roofing them with laxatives. Fucking hell.
Okay, guys. Well, whenever you fuck a bitch and then she farts after, just remember.
I told you so.
And what I'm not gonna do is be like, oh yeah, do it again. With the vibe.
Just ask Tanner.
Oh, let it all out.
Tanner did the bitch fart afterwards.
Nice.
She didn't fart afterwards.
Yeah, she farted afterwards.
How many fucking afters are there?
There's the during sex.
Girls can hold in a fart for a while, my guy. Okay.
Everyone can hold in a fart.
Okay, Tanner, did she automatically leave after, or did she like hang out?
Nah, she stayed for an hour. We cuddled.
Damn, she sucked that bitch in for
an
hour. Damn, she must have been dying. Tanner, you almost killed her.
I guess.
She was gonna explode, bro.
I don't know.
This is weird that like. No mind.
Sorry,
we'll get off Tanner's.
Hey, I have a story. If you guys don't mind.
I don't think she could take a big black dick. All I'm saying, bro, she's just too little.
What?
Excuse me?
Where did that come from?
Exactly. See, that's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
But you can't. Just because you say that's all I'm saying doesn't mean it's like, oh, all right, that's all he's gonna say. Like, no, you gotta fucking say something.
No, bro.
It's experience, I'm telling you.
I'm just thinking of like the little like the few minutes we've been here and the large amount of content Shane's given us. What the fuck am I gonna title this? Like Shane's talked about fucking girls holding in farts.
Should we get back to the threesomes?
Threesomes at work, girls holding in farts, fucking she can't take a big black what now?
No. Okay.
She farts after taking a
Are you guys ready? Because I have a big announcement that I have to make.
I fucking called this shit, bro.
Oh my god, he's gonna do it in the podcast. This is the greatest content ever. We're gonna get so many fucking views. Do it.
Spill it.
Do it.
You guys talking to me?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh shoot.
Tell
Okay.
us your bye.
Okay. So I went to the pet store today because my sisters wanted birds.
Oh god.
Right? And so we talked to the pet store lady because I had birds when I was a kid and they died in over 10 days. We don't know what happened. So we went to the pet store lady today and we said we're just gonna buy one bird. And then she was like, oh, they're gonna get depressed and kill themselves. I was like,
what the fuck?
So that's how our birds died.
What?
Okay. And so we bought two birds instead of one.
Well, I mean, to be fair, they're kept in a cage the whole fucking time. And they're
but I
birds.
didn't know they
They're
would
annoying
die.
as shit.
They peck themselves to death. Like, Jesus Christ.
Bro.
Wait, so if you put a bird in
I'm gonna tell you a fucking horror story, okay? You ready for it, fuckers? Okay. So
I am a bird.
God damn, bro. So there was Butters and fucking Blueberry, okay? I had these two little fuckers, okay? And we come in one morning, and Blueberry was fucking dead.
Whoa.
And these are birds.
Butters killed Blueberry.
Huh?
Fucking murdered his ass. Gone. Fucking gone.
We're talking about birds, right?
Ripped off his fucking heart out of his fucking body.
What the fuck?
Birds?
Yeah. Birds.
You're a shit owner, bro. One of your birds. You're like, yeah, my name's Shane. I got birds, Butters, Blueberries. Butters ripped out Blueberry's heart, literally. But other than that, it was pretty good. Yeah.
they were the same type of birds. For one was blue.
So you're telling me if you put one bird in a cage, it'll get so lonely and depressed it pegs itself to death. If you put two birds in a cage, one will literally rip the other one's heart out of its chest. What if you put three birds in a cage? What the fuck?
The fuck knows. Also, another bird story. My sister had this bird named Waffles.
Okay, well, what is it with all the food and birds? I don't fucking get.
Why are they okay? They
butter,
all go in one. You never put butter and blueberries.
Butter,
on a
blueberry,
waffle?
and what was the other one?
Waffle. You can put
Well,
butter
we had
and
waffle.
blueberries.
They
on a
all
We
go
had
on
Zippy.
waffles.
We had Smokey.
They all go on pancakes, waffles, or French toast. Butter, blueberries, and like, what the fuck? Your family loves breakfast food.
Then we had Zippy and Smokey, and then we had, like, kind of what Tanner said. Basically, it was before we had Zippy. It was some other like bird. It was like the same type of him though. But basically, this bird is supposed to live for easily over 80 years, right? And he didn't even make it past 3. He killed.
It got 3. 80 years. Easily 80. No, it gets 3. Fucking
But back to Waffles, right? So when we were moving, right, we found Waffles a new home with our family friend Herschel, right? And one day they go into like Waffles like area or whatever, and we thought Waffles was a he, and he laid an egg.
How do you both a pet? How do you not know its gender?
He laid a fucking egg.
So he was actually a she.
The bird.
Then we had Smokey, who was an African gray, who also should have lived for 70 years. He's still going around somewhere.
Prevent bird suicide.
We hope he's still going around somewhere. We don't know.
We also had hamsters that lived forever. They never died.
Well, I mean,
The zombie
I had a goldfish that lived like 5 years. It was absurd. Goldfish should not live that long.
I forget, one of my friends has a goldfish that's still alive. Oh yeah.
years.
It shouldn't be, but it's so beefy now.
I had
and
a
it's
fish
still
tank.
alive. It's still going.
And
Same.
it had a goldfish, and it had one of those like things that's stuck to the glass and sucks off the algae, right?
Suckerfish.
And
no, that's not what it's called.
And
starfish?
The goldfish.
No.
The goldfish ate the fucking fish, the algae fish, ate the fucker, and then it got stuck in the filter and died.
Well, that's what happened with my bird.
These animals are fucked.
My fish
and
tank.
they're not even in like pure nature.
What happened with my fish tank was that pufferfish are fucking assholes. Okay, never get pufferfish. If you do, they're gonna eat everything. Every last fish in there. We had so many pufferfish. Killed them all, and he was so huge. He died of obesity.
What?
He was so
Why did you get a pufferfish? That's not a common fish you get for a fish tank.
I don't know, man. And Finding Nemo.
Those need salt water too. You had a saltwater fish tank, bro? What the fuck?
Yeah, just pour some table salt.
The only reason I didn't get a pufferfish was because they need salt water.
Man, you just put a little tablespoon of salt in some water.
I just made that joke.
Oh, my bad.
So never get pufferfish, bitches, or else he will end your whole bloodline of fish.
Your bloodline, not the other fish's bloodline. Your bloodline. It's gonna get so big, it's gonna go hands and legs, and it's gonna fucking eat you.
It will. I don't doubt it for a fucking second.
Moral of the story is just have dogs. Dogs
Killer
are the best.
fucking
Dogs don't
animals.
fucking rip out your chests, your heart.
My dogs fucking
heart
suck.
chests.
Okay,
Scruffy's fucking great.
he's not. He's not.
Fucking.
Oh, guys, I'm getting a dog.
I love Scruffy.
Yeah, Tanner's gonna get 17 fucking animals.
I'm getting a dog next week.
I feel bad for it.
I don't know if he finished his story, but he was going to get his sister 2 birds, and then the other one's getting a hamster, and then he's getting a dog, and then he's getting like a fucking giraffe, and he's getting a freaking ferret, and he's getting a fucking mouse, and he's getting a freaking alligator.
Yeah.
Your sister's going through the phase of I want animals. All of them.
Yeah.
I want a pony.
Shelby's been in that phase permanently her entire life.
Pony.
I want an Indonesian panda, but I want to paint the white stripes yellow and the black purple.
Okay. I can
A
get
pink
that
and purple Indonesian panda.
Yellow and purple.
Yellow and purple? Is that
Also,
what she said?
his only diet can be Subway sandwiches that are semi-toasted, right? That bitch better not be full toasted. If it's full toasted, he won't eat it.
Yeah, I got you.
If it's full toasted, he won't eat it. What the fuck is this picky fucking panda?
I don't. It's what I want.
It's what I want. This is gonna be a task, but I'll see what I can do.
You know.
Guys, I need to kill people on this in this area.
I don't give a shit.
Can I kill people in
Tanner,
this area?
murder is bad.
No. Just let me just kill a few.
I went to the Renaissance Fair today, right? That place is weird.
Yeah, it's full of old shit.
Was it cool?
I got a
bro.
Sorry. That's so awkward.
Did you buy a sword?
I totally forgot what I was just about to say.
So that's a no to the sword?
I did get a sword. A while ago, a couple years ago. I don't know. Apparently, my father said we used to go to the Renaissance Fair, but I don't even remember it. But I've been to the Renaissance Fair in Vegas 2 times. The first one was a few years ago, and I got a freaking scythe from Ruby, which is an anime. And then this time, I just got a sword.
They did not have anime during the Renaissance period. What the fuck?
No. You haven't been to the Renaissance Fair, my guy. The Renaissance Fair has nothing to do with the Renaissance. It's just fucking cosplay. It's cosplayers. It's fucking cosplay conventions.
It doesn't make sense.
It is nothing to do with the Renaissance. It's
just
a cosplay convention.
Do they not?
It's weird. I know. I got the sword.
I got an anime bitch. Turns out it's a trap.
Bro, what I was gonna say is everyone was dressed up as freaking people from a long time ago, right? That's the Renaissance, whatever. And they were all wearing fucking, I don't know what it's called. Shelby told me what it's called, like a corset or something. It's the thing that women wear that's super tight around their waist and then it makes their boobs get pushed up, right?
So a pusher bra.
No, well, it's more than it's bigger. It goes around all the way of your torso. And
Double D pusher bra.
everyone was fucking wearing those. It was titties fucking everywhere.
Even men?
I mean, some of them. There was actually a lot of I don't know what they were. I don't know what the right term is, but dudes dressing up as women. I don't know. I don't know if they wanted to not be dudes, if they were just women. I don't know if they were just women.
Shane, what's that call you were talking about earlier? Did not mean to say dyke. It's I
don't know if they were just women or if they used to be men, or if they were men that just wanted to. I don't know if they were drag queen or if they were just used to be a man and now they're not anymore. But there was a lot of them at this convention. But the point is, there were titties popping everywhere. There's titties everywhere.
Right, I think it's a
Damn,
drag
bro.
queen.
I
Shane
need
was
to go to
talking about
Vegas.
drag queens at his work.
All ages, like all ages. Like I'm talking like real young, like in the middle, and like real old titties everywhere.
Nice old drag queen titties.
I love some drag queen titties. Sorry.
So gross.
What?
I don't know. Something about drag queen titties.
That shit happens. You get desperate.
Every time we talk about something, it always goes super sexual.
I don't know. Look, this has been an oddly sexual one.
We're not usually this sexual. We're racist.
Wait, who?
If anything. Well, actually, I think sexual's better.
Me?
What? I'm not offering sex, if that's what you thought.
No, not at all. That's not. No. What? That's.
Unless.
I would never, ever think, wink, that you would do that.
I think I hear him winking.
That worked.
I swear I'm not.
So.
You're not what?
What?
Winking.
You said, I swear I'm not.
Yeah, winking.
What?
When we were at the Renaissance Fair. I'm going back to the Renaissance Fair to get us out of that. When we were at the Renaissance Fair, it was me, Shelby, and Father, right? And Father wanted a beer, so we went to this like beer. This is like bar, but it was like designed as the old times, and the bar ladies' tits were popping out, right? And so we went up there, and Father was like, "Yeah, give me beer." And the lady there, she was like, "All right," and then she was like, "Oh, and these two aren't 21, are they?" And I was like, "No, bitch. No, the fuck not." Like, me and her are standing in this fucking line because our father is standing in this line. We're not trying to get a couple of fucking broskies. Are you fucking retarded? Like, she sounded so fucking snobby.
Well, I mean, if she's dressing up as drag queen,
she was like, "Ha, I fucking caught these kids trying to buy alcohol. I caught them trying to get beer." Like, we're in this line because our father's standing in this line, bitch. We're not trying to get fucking broskies. Like, what? Get the fuck out.
I mean,
or maybe she was just
hate,
confirming. They're like, hey, are they 21? Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, why are you
are
like judging her so hard, bro? Maybe she's just a really nice person who's really hoping to get your beefcakes that night.
I would have gotten 2 for 1 for those meddling kids.
Like, get some beefcakes.
We'll gloss over the beefcake statement.
Hey, baby, want to come over and get some beefcakes?
Let me tap that beefcake.
You ever successfully used a pickup line?
You guys?
Yes, multiple times.
What was it? What was the line?
Beefcakes.
What's up, guys? What's up? Can you see me?
What was the line?
Can you see me?
Say.
Let me tap that beefcake.
Oh.
What was the line you used that was successful? I'm curious.
I just told you.
Not beefcakes. Not beefcake.
I'm pretty sure it's beefcakes.
It seems like I lost my number. Can I get yours?
It's literally just like the normal one that you do. It's literally
Did
just,
Tanner just say, I lost my number, can I have yours?
Literally just... Are you from Tennessee?
Oh my god, no, Jay, that worked. Oh my god, that fucking worked.
I know. That's why I was surprised too.
He was surprised and he was doing it.
Said it as a joke, and now you have a girlfriend.
So yeah, I'm married now.
All because of Tennessee.
Fucking bitch. That's good. Maybe.
Hey, Tennessee, do you want to sponsor us?
How does a whole state
real quick
I don't know.
sponsor this podcast? One podcast. Brought to you by this episode of LNS Sessions is brought to you by Tennessee.
The 10 I see.
Because you're the only 10 I see.
Thank you.
Is this sponsored by Tennessee? Because this podcast is the only 10 I see.
That's fucking awful.
Please leave a like.
I want to kill you more than anything else in the fucking world right now.
Look, if he got you a girlfriend, maybe he can give me a sponsorship, okay?
Right on.
You never know. You never know.
I think.
I mean, you gotta
the
think,
sponsor's more probable
bro. This
than the
is really in
girlfriend for this pickup
elementary,
line.
so like, does it really matter?
In elementary, of course, it fucking worked.
Oh,
You
I
could've
thought
just-
this just happened last week.
You could have just said, "Can you be my girlfriend?" And she'd be like, "Yeah."
You could have just offered
Oh my
a
God.
fucking push pop.
Yes. Push pop.
What the fuck, bro? Push pops were bomb, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, don't hate on the push.
Can you guys give me a push pop? Like, I'll suck your dick if you give me a push pop.
No, not that good.
I mean, they're kind of like the same motion. Like if you eat a push pop, one's cold,
No.
one's warm.
But they're cold. They're
Bro, that
cold
guy's
fire.
eyes are fucked. He's definitely high right now. Sorry.
Oh,
You okay?
guys.
Did he just have a stroke? Oh shit. My loss.
Follow us on Mixer. Mixer.com
I've
slash
never
the
heard
biggest
of a
first stream,
smoother
Mixer.com slash the
transition.
pistol Pete, Mixer.com slash Zeta789, and Mixer.com slash the Xbox Gamer 75.
We need a new VC.
That
one's
was
racist.
not the VC. That was your internet because
You.
the whole Destiny was broken. You broke me. You broke Discord. Your internet.
I don't know
is
what you're
so
talking
Asian.
about.
Your internet is so Asian.
I just put some corn in the fryer. It should be working just fine.
You need some ice, bro. I mean
corn
rice, bro.
in
Just
the
say ice.
fryer, bro.
Fucking rice, bro.
What
So the
happened?
nation.
I'm gonna dip my nuts in the fryer.
Blake's
See if that works.
internet is really Asian. It's self-destructed. He shoved corn in the freaking
I bought
disc
it from China.
in the disc reader.
Made in China.
It doesn't work
Bro, you're supposed to
at
put
all.
popcorn in the flipping phone charger. You
What?
noob.
Fuck.
Wait.
Tanner.
Who
I
invited this guy?
To know you, but now it just
If you
fucking
or someone you know has autism, you might be eligible.
Can we do an
financial
autism? Is there an
compensation.
autism test?
Can we
drug.
trade them for Tanner?
Yes.
Like online? Hang on, I gotta look this up.
If you or someone you know is even a little bit good at podcasts, you can
little
take
bit
Tanner's
good.
place in an instant.
And a steak also.
We
I'm
will
looking up an
beat
autism
up
test.
Tanner if you sponsor us. Like, please.
What?
Is spitting a sign of autism? If you spit, then you have autism. What the fuck?
Wow, I don't spit. So I guess y'all
I
are
spit
retarded.
back. I spit
Oh my gosh, every
bars.
rapper is.
Tanner, drop a sick beat.
See, why
Sounds
was
like he's
I?
trying to blow up a balloon.
Why was I disappointed there? Like, what else did I fucking
It sounds
expect?
like he's trying to blow a balloon.
It does.
Hang on.
Man,
Nah, I can't do it. It's impossible.
you're just too white.
He's really trying.
What? What? Hang on.
Like, me and Tanner are already in the game. Fine, I'll
hello?
do it. Fine, I'll do it.
Hey, guys, I don't see your screens. Maybe one day we'll get the technology, but not today.
What's going on?
Why are you so far away?
What?
He's in his fridge.
Sorry.
So, fall break.
Hey, it's fall break.
Ryan,
Yes.
you literally don't go to school.
He's a witness.
I'm in witness protection.
Literally, the worst witness protection ever.
That's what you think.
He's been in witness protection programs since before kindergarten, and oh my god, that's why he had to move so much.
I was
in
the womb in the testicle in witness protection.
In the testicle.
In the nuts while they're hanging. I was hanging in the nuts.
My daddy. Sorry. Just remember where he came from, bitches. Dad's balls.
Did they forget?
Yes.
You just need a constant reminder.
Your little ass
swam in the back of the head
for miles.
They're like cheaters are like super fast. You don't think cheaters are super fast every fucking day, but you know they're fast. They're just sitting in the back of your head. So maybe refresh.
Spit facts, not bars.
So the air, it's dry. What's up with that?
Dude, tell me about warming.
A certain location.
I wake up in the morning breathing dry air.
Ours is
compared
moist,
to wet
bitch.
air. I like it.
Just
yeah, wet air is dope,
fucking
bro.
Awful.
Well, it's fall, so the air is naturally getting drier, and me being in a desert amplifies the dryness. Yeah. So I am like so fucking drier than your mom's poon.
Can I get you?
You need to oil up.
I can make you a little bit.
I got some chapstick right next to me, bro. I'm like lubing myself up with it, just rub the stick on all my crevices.
Need some help?
Need some help applying this chapstick? Yes, I do.
On my way.
Apply it liberally to my entire body.
Right on.
This chapstick?
Yep.
All over the body, okay.
Yep.
How many chapsticks do you go through?
5. How many are there?
You buy a 5-pack every week?
Like 5.
I buy 5 packs every week.
Tanner, I guess I could have seen you
one of each.
Very easily.
This one in specific is strawberry, sponsored by Carmex. Not a sponsor, but thanks for keeping my lips moist.
I got the blue one. I don't think it has a flavor.
I said Carmex, strawberry flavor. Kept my lips moist.
Carmex is nice. Underrated. I don't have Carmex, but...
Just say, show me the Carfax.
Just super nice.
Here's the thing, I would have laughed.
Go
Maybe
to the general and save some time.
That, but I just didn't want to say it.
That commercial. Just
copy you.
Can the whole episode just be shouting out commercials? Because then maybe we can get sponsored.
And then put it in.
Let's get sponsored by Culver's.
Bro, you know how freaking Toys R Us ate shit because they're poor? Well, that fucking
bankrupt.
Yeah. There's one next to me, and it became a Spirit Halloween. You know, like those shitty ass Halloween stores that just set up and get out in like one day, and it's just like random shit. Yeah. They didn't even take the fucking R building. Like, it's a Toys R Us building with the like giant R, and then they just covered up the Toys R Us with a fucking banner that says Spirit Halloween. Like the shittiest attempt. The R is still on the thing, bro.
Yeah, I mean, the R in Halloween. I don't see a problem.
Or the
I get it, because there's no R in a Halloween.
Unless
Spirit or Halloween.
Lied your whole life.
We
went there so Shelby could get some fucking vampire teeth.
Wait, what?
Bro,
Shelby got vampire teeth.
Out.
She's special.
Yeah,
she fucking ate crickets.
She's like doing roleplay with her boyfriend for Halloween, so needed some fangs.
Yeah.
Oh, grasshopper. My bad. She's fucking a Mormon. Oh boy.
She is fucking a Mormon.
No protection either, because that's against the Bible.
Protection, Mormon fucking.
Pretty sure fucking before marriage is also.
Well, no, if you don't use a condom, it actually doesn't count, and God's like, okay.
Wow.
God just fist bumps you and says, right on.
Right on protection on the way, brother.
Right on, I'll be your protection.
I made that shit for a reason. Fucking use it.
Fucking God is just like, I hereby announce you are not the father.
Imagine God is more.
Let there be light, let there be abortion.
Like God just
I think I missed that in the Bible.
I put the shot vac
was
up
that
her
in the New
pussy.
Testament?
Let Romeo and Juliet be consensual, even though she's 13, he's 21.
Look,
Just saying.
It's a different time, right? And that time was a good time.
Jesus Christ.
Strong political opinions here.
I could be married already with like
on
10 wives.
the right page.
I could be married with 10. I think that was not okay.
Yes, no, it works.
So who here?
How are you gonna find 10 fucking women to marry you?
Trust me, it'll work.
I saw that in a porno once.
Yeah, everyone has.
Can't say I have. They married
though.
10
They
other
call each
women.
other sisters. And
I don't think I've seen
I
that.
just know my husband's so great, and I was like, huh.
Thank
you.
So
religions are crazy.
So
say it.
Follow our personal
accounts.
accounts.
Think about me. Oh my God.
Oh, you guys want to know my social security number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I returned a wallet
today. Speaking of social security numbers, I was in my room and I was like getting ready, right? And I was drinking a water bottle, and I looked out my window, and I was like, huh, there's a wallet sitting there in the rocks, and it wasn't like a normal wallet. It wasn't like a normal wallet. It was like one of those girls' wallets that's like really big, so like you have to hold it with a hand.
Like you, it has to be in a purse,
bro. It either has to be in a purse or you have to like hold it with your hand.
So big,
a dress or something.
Fuck, bro.
And so I was like, Father, there's a wallet out there. Should we see if there's $1 million in it? And he's like, yeah, sure. So I went down there and I was like, oh, like there's actually shit in it. And so I looked at the card to see like who it was, like how do I give it back to this person, right? And
did you ask
how much can I steal from? No, I was like, how do I give it back to this person? And so the ID was in it, and Father was like, oh, I know that chick. She lives in the corner. And I was like, all right, nice, let's go there. And so we gave her a wallet back, and she was hot.
So how's things going with the gas station lady?
I don't even think she works there anymore. I haven't seen her in a while. But now we got wallet.
That's rough.
So things are getting better. We made an exchange.
You should have given back the wallet and then taken it back for like, a returning fee.
She was holding a baby in her hand when she answered the door.
Okay, so she can't chase you.
Oh my God. I mean, he's right.
Happens.
I only spit the facts and nothing but the facts.
Yeah, that's why you have autism.
Hey, I haven't taken the test.
But you spit.
Oh, I get it. Oh, I should have gotten that sooner. That's funny.
I'm not crazy. My mother had me tested.
For autism or STDs?
No, for crazy, bro. That's, I don't know. It's a Sheldon
Hey
Cooper
guys,
line.
Can we talk about apparently this super real statistic apparently that the average high schooler now has the same is it anxiety
you
or
got
some
it off
shit
TikTok. I know what you're saying.
as like a 1970 year old or
60s
1970 psych
pretty much
patient.
Teenagers are fucking crazy.
Yeah.
Why are people from the 1970s crazy?
No,
yeah.
basically
it's
in
a psychiatric
ward. A psych ward?
So fucking crazy people.
Yeah. Oh, I thought you meant the decade, the 70s.
Apparently we have that much anxiety as much as them, so that's cool.
Well, maybe if the world wasn't such a bitch, we'd be less anxious all the time.
No, they just needed some.
I think it's anxiety that it was. It could have been depression or some shit. I don't know.
Maybe if the government would quit putting lice in the water, quit putting corn in the water.
Fucking putting
piss I am.
Quit putting barbecue sauce in my
water. Ice step anymore. Like hello?
Trying to eat some frogs and you're trying to serve it with a better rice? What are you doing?
Blake.
Yeah.
Do you know that the freshmen don't have to take ice step now? Like we're so close and not having to do that, and now they don't have to do it.
Did you know that if you're in witness protection, you don't have to do ice step?
Did you know I'm literally fighting 15 freshmen tomorrow?
That's gonna be a lot. Can you imagine Blake?
The body count.
Blake fucking karate jumping. 15 freshmen close in on his location.
They're so fucked.
They're fucking dead. It's simple as that. They're fucking done for. I hate them.
Okay, if this. Can you video it?
Yeah, man, I'll get a GoPro. Actually, no. I'll have my phone out. That way, it's fair. So I can only use one hand.
Oh, you can use your dick.
Fuck, I'll be One Punch Man.
Can only use one dick.
I like as your camera. Your camera's your dick.
Okay, let's say you're in a fight. I've been thinking about this a lot. Like, because when I go to the gym, I feel like, okay,
so cool.
I'm about to fight someone. That's what I think about when I go to the gym. So I can get pumped up. Let's say you're in a fight, right? First of all, who do you bring to back you up? Right? In case things
go bad. A big-ass Asian.
I got you. Alright. Second, if and when you win, do you do a finishing blow?
No.
As in they're down.
The kick.
As in, like, they're already down, you beat the shit out of them. Do you, like, what I would do if they really pissed me off? I'd probably, like, curb stomp their nutsack.
Just the nuts.
Yeah.
I see it.
Or maybe, like, kick them in the ribs and break something. I don't know. You could cut off a leg. They have two.
They have two. I think you're supposed to have to. Like, once you drop down to one, that's only 50%. That's an
legs are like kidneys. You only need one.
It's not wrong.
See? All right, so who you bringing to back you up in a fight?
All right, said my answer.
I don't know. I think you should bring Wayne. I think he'll fuck someone up.
We'll bring Scruffy.
What the?
You wouldn't, pussy.
You wouldn't dare put him in danger.
Craig on my left, Gyrick on my right.
Scruffy on my dick.
Scruffy on my dick.
Bestiality touch?
Hey.
What?
It's consensual. He looked at me.
So are we fighting freshmen? Is this? Are we fighting anyone?
Unless you can find 16 freshmen, then no.
I mean, there are some annoying people at our school.
Like
they need to be put in place.
15 at a time.
Like.
You think? I feel like they'd snitch though.
The chicken Blake.
Yeah, see, I know.
Sorry.
I
Sorry.
Now you have to put a stock image of a chicken.
All right, I'm gonna have to fucking Google the scene in Destiny 2 where Kate's a chicken.
No. It has to be just a random stock image of a woman holding a chicken, looking very happy while she's getting her eyes pecked out. All right.
Oh my god, that's gonna be a long Google search. Stock image, woman happy holding chicken, getting eyes pecked out.
Google.
It's doable.
That's what we do. End scene. End.
We're not done yet, Blake. We got like 5 minutes.
End it.
I mean, I could end it there. Like, I could just, like, it could cut there. Like, it could be cut.
I said end scene.
It could have just been cut. It could have just stopped just now.
Well, then it's a 40-minute episode, not 45.
I let my nuts hang?
You know? I let my nuts hang.
I don't care what you do, bro. Whatever you feel like.
Can I get a stock image of a lady holding a chicken with the chicken's nuts out?
Ew.
She's holding chicken nuts.
What do chicken nuts look like? Do chickens have nuts?
Chicken nuggets?
Wait, that's... Oh. Chicken nuggets come from chicken nuts.
Alright, I'm gonna go get some chicken nuggets, so if y'all wanna come, I'm gonna go get some chicken nuts.
I want some nugs. Give me those nugs.
Thank you for watching. Come again to the next episode. Subscribe to our personal channels. Follow us on Mixer. Follow us on Twitter. Follow us on fucking TikTok. Follow us on the Patreon that doesn't exist yet. Yeah. Fucking follow us in real life. Just like start. I'm kidding. Don't do that. I will actually legitimately shoot you.
Just like tell me, and then like
you can stalk Shane if it's consensual. But if you stalk me, I'll shoot you.
You can stalk me for money.
You can set up a business transaction. You're going to have to contact their personal... Don't contact late night sessions for this. Contact their personal email. Pay them to stalk you. So.
I mean, if they're just stalking, I might as well get paid. Can you end it right there as soon as I said you might as well get paid?
And scene?
Oh, and scene!